Hi everyone, welcome to the apply a formula to an entire column tutorial. This is just a quick one to kind of help you move through things a little bit quicker. Let me see, delete here. So let's say you had a formula and like you wanted to count, I don't know, profit per unit or something like that. So I could do like profit per unit, and then it's just equals, so profit divided by the quantity sold. So you could hit enter. And so you're making essentially $20.96. And the old way, so first I'll fit this. The old way that most people know how to do is they'll go on this bottom right corner and they'll drag down. The problem is, like, this is 9,000 observations, right? It's going to take you forever to do that. And so a nice kind of trick is, so I'll reverse it, is notice that you should see this. Let's see, I'll zoom in a little, see if you can see it a little bit better. This little square here in the bottom right corner, once your highlight over and that cursor changes, rather than drag, just double click. And as long as there's data next to it, it'll go all the way to the bottom, so down all 9,000 observations. So that's much, much, much quicker than dragging. One thing to be careful about is whenever you do a formula like this and you want to double click it, it has to be next to other data. So I'll show you, let's see, I'm going to delete this. Let's say I wrote this over here, so profit per unit, and then I did equals, so profit divided by the number of units. Notice now, because there's no data here, because it's blank, I can't double click, right? I'm trying to double click and I can't. You can still drag if you want, but again, it's going to take forever. It's just much easier to delete maybe this, and now it's next to data. You can double click and it goes all the way to the bottom. And again, if you want to auto fit it, just double click between the letter. I hope this was useful.